Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Michelle. Y'all listen, I actually have somewhere to go today. Usually I do these get ready with me's and I show you guys how I install my wigs, and I don't go nowhere, girl. I'm going somewhere today. I'm going to an all-white party that my husband got invited to, and I'm really excited about it. So Nadula sent me this gorgeous unit. It's got a few new features. As you can already see, she turned out gorgeous. Let me show you guys what I got in my box. We have the wig, also some accessories, a wig cap. I got this stretchy elastic band for my edges, this rat tail comb that I used to do my parting space, and it has a removable detachable head. Here's a satin dust bag that I used for storage, this gorgeous royal blue. And here is the double-sided tape. Now this is actually a glueless wig, but because I will be dancing the night away in my 4-inch heels, yes ma'am, I'm gonna secure her. So let me show y'all the wig. When I tell you it's something about these curls, here's a little close-up. She's already pre-plucked, she's pre-bleached. And I don't know if you can really see this, but if you look a little bit closer, you'll see that she came with some kinky edges. I'm gonna show you guys how I navigated that. For quality, you always wanna make sure your curly units are full at the bottom. You don't want them tapering off into thinness. This is the cap construction. She is a 7x5. So this is a no-slip wig cap, all right? You see that silicone all around the perimeter on the edge. There is the elastic band that's in the wig cap. You can actually remove this if you like. We have these 2 adjustable straps in the back along with this nape comb, and these elastic straps keep everything flat, super stretchy, very snug fit. You see how that stretch begins where the lace ends? Like I mentioned before, the silicone strip all the way around, and that is gonna make sure that nothing moves. And it's a drawstring, girl. What? Y'all know that's my favorite. But do you see the stretch, okay? All right, so you got that little nodule, pull this drawstring, lock it. Boom, and it's not going anywhere. And this is how thick the nape is. So before I start installing, I'm gonna go ahead and use my DIY tint. I just wanna make sure that everything looks seamless. This is just some foundation and some alcohol in the spray bottle. So let's get into what's under this bonnet. I'm gonna go ahead and smooth my baby hairs to the back, and I'm gonna prep this forehead for the adhesive. I'm just gonna use a little bit of alcohol and remove any makeup or oils. I'm going to adjust these straps that are in the back, and I'm gonna put them on. First thing I wanna do is separate the kinky edges because I do not want to glue these down. So I'm just separating the 2 textures so I can see what I'm working with. So I go ahead and bust out my tweezers because I wanna make this hairline look a little bit more natural. These units are beautiful as they come, but I always like to customize a bit. So I'm kind of doing a little pattern. You can kind of see the difference between the 2 sides. And then, girl, I was like, ooh, I need a little bit more baby hairs than this. So I separated a little bit more hair to the front. So look, this is what we got. We're not done yet. So before I go any further, let's go ahead and adhere. I'm gonna be using my trifecta, and that is some Got to Be Glued, any lace spray, which is almost out, child, and my favorite mousse. I'm using my spatula tool to apply a thin layer
gotta kill a man, no, no, no. See, someone's gotta will a man, no. I'm talking real man, no, no.
So once I'm satisfied with the way that my curls are defined, I'm gonna go ahead and use my diffuser and spend some time watching Love is Blind, because this is gonna take a while. This hair is thick, it's 20 inches. Like, I tried to do like a transition right there, y'all, but I was still drying. I'm telling you, it takes a long time for this hair to dry. But once it was done, I went ahead and bust out my lusters, my favorite shine spray. That hair jelly added a lot of shine and moisture, but something about this lusters, man, I can't put it down. So on to my favorite part about curly units, and that is the volume that you get. So I'm using my pick strategically. Now this can change the look of the whole unit. Sometimes you might want that like slick down wet look, but I like really fluffy curls. And y'all, look at that. I turned on my fan. I was flinging this wig around, girl. My part stayed in place. Curls didn't get frizzy. So there's a lot of movement. Don't nobody want no stiff curls. And that is it. So I was playing around with hairstyles, and this is the first one. I wanted to see how it would look in an updo, so I'm gonna do that for you guys. And that's what the back looks like. The all-white party was a blast. They were playing my favorite classic cookout songs. The food was good. The energy was even better. He was wearing a white suit. He looked good. He had a hat on. I said, Sam, you need the hat at home. So then I was curious and I wanted to see what it would look like with the middle part. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys that. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you Nadula Hair for sending me this gorgeous wig. We had a blast. Something about big curly hair always gives nature goddess to me. I love it so much. I can't help but feel amazing when I wear hair like this. It's very feminine. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will talk to you guys later. I love you guys. Bye.